If you need to cancel a pending transfer on First Horizon Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure your transaction is successfully reversed. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your First Horizon Bank online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the Transfers section, look for the list of pending transfers. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel by checking the details such as the amount and recipient. Step 4. Select the transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel or delete the pending transfer. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the transfer is officially cancelled. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transfer has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to First Horizon Bank's customer service for assistance.